In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front door handle on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the front door. Let's get started. You should have a plastic cover around your door handle right here. Use a small trim tool and pick up on the tabs and pull it out. If you need to, you can open up the door handle and slide it out the back. Behind there, you're going to have 2 Phillips screws. We're going to remove the top screw. We have 1 more Phillips head screw. Remove both screws. We're going to remove the metal clip for our window. We're going to slide this tool down into place. And there goes our clip. This clip just grabs onto the back of the handle. Once you remove the clip, you can remove the handle. Install the clip back on. Just push it straight on and it sits on it. If you don't have the door window tool, you can just use a small pick and pull that clip off. It's just a bit more difficult. Remove the trim on the front side of the door. Just pull straight out on it and it'll pop the clip. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to pop off the trim piece. This is going to pop straight off towards us. These can be on there pretty tight. They're just held in by metal clamps. There's supposed to be 3 Phillips head screws. There should be 1 right here. Number 2 should be right here. And then number 3 is going to be down inside of this valley. Remove all 3 of those screws. We're going to pop the door panel off of the door. These are held on by plastic clips. You can use a plastic trim tool and get behind them and pop them out. Or if you can fit your fingers in there and just pop the door forward. Go around the whole door, popping these clips. Lift straight up on the door and remove it from the vehicle. We're going to peel our plastic back. When you do this, do it gently. We don't want to rip this vapor barrier. And we're going to pull it down until we have access inside of the door. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. This is for our window sweep that goes inside of the door. We're going to be pulling this over to the front, just kind of pulling on it while we work, not fully removing it. We're going to use a small trim tool and we're going to pop out these 2 caps. There's 1 more farther up. Remove both of those caps. We're going to pull that window rod over to the side. We're going to reach up inside of the door with a small pick. Open the tab. Remove the rod. We have 1 more rod in the back that we need to remove. This one is just pressure. It just clips into that clip in the back. So we're going to put our pick on it and pull it forward and then remove it. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to reach through the door and get our 2 bolts. We have 1 more 10mm bolt on top. Reach up inside of the door and grab the bracket. You're going to lift this straight off towards the back of the door. And then you're going to lift up and twist it in the clockwise direction. And remove it from the door. Remove the handle from the door. Remove the rod from the handle. We're just going to twist this out of place, pull it straight out. We have to remove our door lock. To do this, we're going to push on the clip. And then pull straight towards us and remove that door lock. There's your clip. Those 2 tabs right here are what hold that lock in. When you push them down, they get out of the way. Install the door lock into place. Push until you hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in there. Then we can install our top rod, push it down in, hinge it over, and now we're ready to install our door handle. Install the door handle into the door. Get it all lined up. Install the two 10mm nuts by hand and snug them down. Install the two rods, the one in the back, push it straight in until it clips. Give it a pull, make sure you can't just pull it out. Open the yellow clip, get the rod installed, and close the clip around it. Be sure that clip fully seats. Now we're just going to test our handle real quick. Now that it's all hooked up, pull the handle on the outside and be sure that you watch the yellow tab function. And as it did, we're good to go. Pull the window track over into place and get the bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Just get it nice and snug. Installed the two caps for our holes. Make sure they're fully seated. Pull the vapor barrier up and into place. Re-sticking it to the door. If you're having troubles getting any part to re-stick, you can use new butyl tape or any sticky that you have just to get it back to the door. Lift the door panel up and onto the door. Line up all the plastic clips and set them into place. Install the Phillips head screws. You should have 3, 1, 2, and 3. We only had 1. Install the plastic trim. We're going to line it up and then push it straight into place. We have 2 Phillips head screws for the door. If you have the plastic trim for the door, go ahead and install that now. Install the handle. Be sure that your clip is reinstalled. Line it up into place. Push straight on. And it'll clip. Test the function. Install the trim on the side of the door. Snap it into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.